Alright guys, here's some updates on what's going on with my helicopters now. Okay, first I'd like to thank RC Booyah for sending me the quick release canopy nuts for my 700. And for the T-Rex 500 we got the Line Pro one-way bearing. And greased it very well this time. Now I know how to grease bearings. I think the one-way in the 500 has never been greased in 5 years, and that motor has so much power, so I most likely damaged the one-way bearing. And I'm also using the USCS T-Rex 500 main gear. It's supposed to be lighter and stronger than the factory line gear. Then I almost got my T-Rex 250 together. Fly bar, I just have to get a new feathering shaft and bushings. The 450s back together. Just have to replace the feathering shaft there. K-bar with the L-gay receiver. All of them are on the Futaba 8FG transmitter now, even the nitros. I'm just waiting for the receiver for the 700. It's 10 volt high voltage S-bus Corona receiver. Specs seem pretty fantastic. Best bang for your buck. Now I just want to see how bright the light is on these L-gay receivers. Pretty damn bright at night. That's a whole lot of light, and that's pretty big, but fit inside the frame on this one, that you can see. But it's pretty light still too, so turn that light off. Oh yeah, light show going on there. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. All I need now, I'm waiting on my skids for the T-Rex 500, and we'll be flying those too. And we'll be running with the Maverick wide core G5 blades as well. I'm hearing they have more pop than your conventional blades, and you know, like this, I see guys we're running 12 degrees of pitch with your normal blades, and with these they're lowering to like 10 degrees of pitch because of the width of the blade. Pretty interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Everybody take care. God bless. Love you all. WC out.